Welcome back to Dollar Sense, where we bring you the latest tips and tricks to succeed on social media. Today, we're diving into the world of Instagram theme pages and uncovering the secrets to making money in 2023. With over 1 billion monthly active users, Instagram is a goldmine for theme pages. So, whether you're a seasoned influencer or just starting out, we've got you covered. 1. The power of Instagram. Theme pages. Instagram theme pages have indeed transformed the digital landscape, offering individuals and businesses a powerful avenue to connect with their target audience. These niche-focused accounts provide a unique platform for expressing creativity and, equally important, a potential source of substantial income. In today's social media-driven world, the opportunities within Instagram theme pages are virtually boundless. Businesses and influencers can tap into these pages to advertise their products and services, and they often find it to be a highly effective means of reaching their intended audience. Through sponsored content, partnerships, and collaborations, theme page owners can not only share their passions, but also monetize their endeavors. The appeal lies in the ability to cater to a specific interest or niche, thus attracting a highly engaged and like-minded following. This targeted approach facilitates stronger connections, trust, and engagement, making it easier for businesses to promote their offerings and for individuals to earn income through various strategies, including affiliate marketing and product sales. 2. Starting your Instagram theme page. To embark on your journey in the world of Instagram theme pages, the first step is strategic planning. Selecting a specific theme or niche that not only aligns with your personal interests, but also exhibits the potential for substantial income is pivotal. This theme should resonate with your passions, knowledge, and creativity, ensuring your commitment to long-term content creation. Once you've determined your niche, it's all about crafting a captivating brand identity. This involves curating your page to establish a distinct and visually appealing aesthetic. A unique aesthetic not only helps your content stand out, but also makes it more memorable to your audience. It's all about creating a cohesive and recognizable style that reinforces your theme. Your brand should instantly convey what your page is about, attracting like-minded followers and leaving a lasting impression. By setting the stage with a well-defined niche and a compelling brand aesthetic, you lay a solid foundation for your Instagram theme page's success and potential for lucrative income. 3. Creating high-quality content. In the realm of Instagram theme pages, the adage "content is king" couldn't be more accurate. Crafting high-quality content that seamlessly aligns with your chosen theme is not just important, it's absolutely essential. Your content serves as the bridge between your page and your audience, and its quality directly impacts your ability to engage and retain followers. Whether you're sharing visually stunning photos, captivating videos, or weaving stories that evoke emotions and tell a compelling narrative, your content should be a reflection of your theme and resonate with your followers on a personal level. It's the content that breathes life into your brand and distinguishes you in a crowded digital landscape. By consistently producing exceptional content, you not only enhance your credibility and authority within your niche, but also keep your audience coming back for more. Strive for excellence, and your content will be the magnetic force that attracts, engages, and ultimately contributes to the financial success of your Instagram theme page. 4. Building your following. As you navigate the dynamic world of Instagram theme pages, the growth of your following hinges on a combination of factors, the foremost being the quality of your content. When your content resonates with your audience and sparks interest, it's likely to be shared and liked, serving as a catalyst for the expansion of your fan base. Growth is not solely dependent on the merit of your content. Active engagement with your audience plays a pivotal role. Responding to comments, messages, and actively participating in discussions fosters a sense of community, making your followers more likely to stay and recommend your page to others. Strategic use of relevant hashtags is another potent tool to increase visibility and attract a wider audience. These hashtags act as signposts, directing users interested in your theme to your content. A substantial following opens doors to various monetization opportunities, from sponsored content and advertising to affiliate marketing. In essence, A larger and engaged following is the foundation upon which the structure of your income-generating Instagram theme page is built, making it a cornerstone of your financial success. 5. Monetizing your Instagram. Theme page monetization is the exciting culmination of all your efforts in the world of Instagram theme pages. It's the point where your creative passion converges with the potential for profit. A variety of avenues await theme page owners to transform their dedication into earnings. Sponsored posts stand as one of the most common ways to monetize, with brands compensating you for showcasing their products or services to your followers. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting relevant products or services through unique affiliate links. Selling your own products, carefully curated to align with your theme, provides a direct income source. Authenticity is the cornerstone of successful monetization. It's crucial to maintain the trust and credibility you've built with your followers. Only promote products and services that genuinely align with your theme and resonate with your audience. Authenticity not only safeguards your relationship with your followers, but also enhances your monetization efforts, ensuring that your passion remains at the heart of your profit-making journey. 6. Estimating earnings. Now, the big question: how much can you earn? The sky's the limit, but it depends on your following, engagement, niche, and chosen monetization methods. Some pages earn hundreds, while others rake in thousands. Success requires patience, dedication, and a little bit of luck. To wrap it all up, Instagram theme pages are your ticket to showcasing your creativity, connecting with a vast audience, and making a substantial income. But it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and hard work to build a successful Instagram theme page. So start today, and who knows, you might be the next Instagram millionaire. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. See you next time on Dollar Cents.